Welcome to this tutorial on how to sew a minimal dress. This simple piece is chic and easy to make. Let's get started. Before we begin, gather the supplies: pattern, fabric strips, matching thread, a loop, an adjuster, and serger thread. Once everything's ready, let's dive into the first step. Start by cutting your fabric according to the pattern. Be sure to follow the lines carefully for an accurate fit. Clip according to the markings and repeat these steps for the other pieces. Align the front and back dress pieces and serge the side seams to join them. Repeat the same step on the other side. Wrap a fabric strip around the front neckline of the dress. Use zigzag or any stretch stitch to sew along the strip to secure it in place. Using a stretch stitch is essential to prevent the fabric from breaking. Prepare another fabric strip, measuring a length sufficient to create a connected strap for the back neckline. Mark the strip, trim it, and fold it in half before pressing it flat. Align the middle of the strip with the back neckline of the dress. Starting from one raw end of the strip, straight stitch across the neckline and continue to the other end. Prepare a fabric strip for the hem of the dress. Wrap the strip around the dress hem and begin by straight stitching the ends of the fabric strip to join them. Then top stitch along the hem to secure the strip in place. Prepare a short fabric strip and loop it through a loop. Pin it in place. Next, thread the strap through an adjuster. Loop it through the short fabric loop and back through the adjuster. Pin the strap securely in place. Align the strap on the back neckline of the dress and pin it. Repeat these steps for the other strap. Straight stitch along the strap to secure the adjuster and loop placements. Top stitch the strap to attach it to the back neckline. Fold the front neckline in half and top stitch down the middle for reinforcement. Align the brand label on the back neckline and straight stitch on both sides to attach it. Finally, give the dress a thorough press to complete the look. And that's it! A minimal dress is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. See you in the next video!